네, 코스피가 이틀째 강하게 반등했습니다. 글로벌 경기 침체 우려에 맞설 미국의 대규모 경기 부양 법안 협상이 오늘 새벽 타결됐다는 소식에 투자 심리가 급격히 회복된 모습인데요.
I think what's happening is the markets are applauding the monetary policy actions the Fed's taken not only yesterday, but beginning last Sunday. The fiscal policy seems to be closed. And now, Scott, what we need is a bit more good news in terms of bending that infection curve, getting some remedies, and potentially seeing some type of vaccination or kind of health remedy to the coronavirus. But there definitely seems to be some signs that a bottom are forming.
Well, it is possible. There's going to be a very sharp, short, I hope short, recession in the next quarter or two because everything is shutting down, of course. And you know, the GDP figures are calculated on an annual basis. So if activity is 10% lower this quarter than last quarter, you multiply that by 4 and you say, well, there's a 40% rate of decline. So you can see some really scary numbers. And unemployment is going to go up, although maybe not to 30%.
Is we have a very tough economic and financial road ahead of us. The stimulus isn't going to be effective immediately. You need to build pipes. There will be massive layoffs. There will be bankruptcies. So we're not out of the woods.
Is that some of these bounces that we've had today on a very oversold market can have some strength, and there will be some traders who've come in, and then they will leave the market if they feel that we're going to sell off again. So you've got that aspect of it. You know, the market can have these bounces and they can be strong, but that said, we need to see the credit markets tighten. We need to
At Nomura, we think China's Q1 GDP is going to be down more than minus 40% or more. For China, in Jan-February, combined exports were down 17%. We think they will be down 25% in March and down at least 30% in Q2.
Many airlines have cancelled up to 90% of their flights. So that's around about 4 to 6 million barrels per day of oil that's coming, that is no longer there, demand that's no longer there. So on the supply side, of course, the commitments by Saudi Arabia to pump about 12.3 million barrels per day, Russia to increase production, has only amplified this situation. So we'd actually expect to see oil prices dip again. Over the next few weeks, despite the lift of the last day or so, we expect them to dip down towards the $20 a barrel.